Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making pumpkin carrot bread. Something a little different, something a little fun, something a little easy. This is no way difficult. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have 2 loaf pans. You notice that they were greased, and so they're all set ready to go. What I'm going to do is all the ingredients and the recipe is listed down below in the description. You can do this. It is not difficult. If you do not have an ingredient that I do, you can probably substitute it out straight across. So I'm using my raw sugar, my oil, and my eggs. Which, yes, I have a piece of carrot in my egg. I'm going to start that mixing. While that is mixing, I'm going to take my pumpkin spice and my baking soda, put that in there. I'm going to give that a nice little twirl around in this tiny little bowl that should have been bigger. There we go. To that, I'm now going to add my water, salt, that's a good pinch of sea salt, pureed pumpkin. If you want to learn how to make your own pureed pumpkin, click that card or its link down below in the description. Then, keeping that on low, I'm going to add my flour mixture. I'm going to lock this down so that then I can add my grated carrots. And my pecans. You could use walnuts, whatever you like. Once that's all mixed, we're going to take our mixture and put this evenly into our prepared loaf pans. Alright, with our mixture now, our batter now into our loaf pans, we're going to take it to the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for about 60 to 65 minutes, or until a cake tester stuck down into the center of it comes out clean. Alright, our bread is all done, and I'm telling you right now that this went from not done to done in like a matter of minutes, because at about, my oven's preheated, at about 59 minutes, it was like not done, so I went for an extra 5 minutes, and it literally went from not done to done in a matter of seconds, it seems. Well, I'm just going to cut off a piece. That is such an awkward angle to cut at. Alright, let's give this a taste. That was really good. It is moist. You can taste the carrot, you can taste the pumpkin. It is a wonderful balance between carrot and pumpkin bread. I really like this. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget the recipe is listed down below in the description, and also the links to some of the products that I use or some of the things that you see here. And I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by.